Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. The West Indies women are now one defeat away from a 5-0 white. Of course, you know this is Primetime Sports Monday. The West Indies women are now one defeat away from a 5-0 whitewash after going down by 44 runs in their fourth T20 international against England on Monday in Derby. Renata Brown reports.
For the fourth game, England took first strike, having won the toss for the third time in the series. The Windies, though, might have won the early exchanges, with Danny White, Knott, and Natalie Skiver 6 both dismissed after 4 overs, with a score 22 for 2. It became 45 for 3 when Tommy Beaumont was dismissed for 27. But from there, Captain Heather Knight and Amy Jones posted 65 runs for the fourth wicket. Knight hit 5 fours and 1 6 in a 30-ball knock of 42, while Jones took only 37 deliveries to score 55. Her innings consisted of 5 fours and 2 sixes. Shamila Connell accounted for Knight's wicket, with Sophia Dunkley going shortly after without scoring. Catherine Brunn chipped in with a quick-fire 25 from 17 deliveries before Jones was run out shortly before England's innings closed at 166 for 6. Alia Alien claimed 2 for 25 for the Windies, while there was a wicket each for Shamela Connell, Hayley Matthews, and Karesh Maramarak. Now, having failed to score 140 all series, 167 was always a challenge for the Windies. And the visitors found themselves in early trouble. As the leading run scorer in the series, the Andradotian went for just 4. Fellow opener Leanne Kirby also went for 4 with 26 runs on the board. The change in the batting order did little to save the Windies, as wicketkeeper Shemaine Campbell and Hayley Matthews both went for 11. Between those dismissals was the removal of captain Stefani Taylor for 13, as her struggles with the bat continued, scoring only 63 runs in 4 innings. Jamaican Chedin Nation 30 offered some resistance, but it wasn't enough as the Windies closed at 122 for 9. Sarah Glenn and Brunt were the pick of the England bowlers with 2 wickets each.
They're just not executing the plans well enough. The plans are there. The plans were there from day one. And back to the same example I made, if I've got 3 people on the leg side, I shouldn't be getting hit through the offside. And it's as simple as that.
The 5th and final match will be played on Wednesday in Derby. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.